Hey everyone, I am the nerdy entrepreneur Lauren here, coming to you with something that's going to be very helpful for you as creators out there. And this is a little bit of an open secret on Twitter. If you do follow Twitter, and really business Twitter has made this very popular, especially those who sell courses. And I'm going to share this with you because I don't see too many people talking about this here. Look, if you want someone to work with you, they need to be able to find your contact information. And oftentimes people ask, hey, what's your website? And for some of you, you are hesitant in actually creating a website for yourself. So there are ways around this. People have link trees and all sorts of things. But here's something that looks a little bit more professional that you can design easily yourself, and it won't break the bank for those of you who are very spending cautious. And that is using Carrd. That is CARRD .co. It's like an open secret on Business Creative Twitter. And so what Carrd allows you to do is to create landing pages where you can put your information. Example here is a landing page I have for Nerdgaggle that we made a while ago that eventually I shall edit. And it allows me to collect email addresses and hook it into my email service provider. So this was very easy to actually create on Carrd. Just do a very basic landing page right here so that I can collect email addresses uh, for this. So that's something that we're able to do. Now, just to show you some more things, I want to show you first, this is Carrd's website, rd.co. Okay, it should look like this. And you can actually use this for free. So it's a software that is a free version and there's a paid version. Okay, and so I suggest you get the paid version. I use the paid version and I paid $19 a year. I believe that's still $19 a year. And then there's another package that is $49 a year, which is a steal for those of you who have looked into building your own website or looked into other landing page software. It could be quite pricey on a per month basis, paying 50, let alone for Carrd, if you want all the features and all the things, you could pay $49 a year or pay $19 for the year. And it's very useful for just throwing a site up. When you pay, you can get a custom domain. Actually, you can use custom domains. So if you bought a domain says, hey, I'm the nerdy entrepreneur at, let's say, Namecheap, I can actually take that and use that as a replacement domain for my landing page here. So that's just a couple of things that you can actually do with the software. So it's actually really simple. It's very, very affordable in terms of pricing. They actually have a 7-day free trial if you want to go pro. That's the program I'm on, and that's only $19 a year. And if you want to do something more advanced, you can get the advanced one if you choose. But this is just one of the tools that I use. See, here's a nice little comparison chart, okay, of what you can get. And this is the one I have. So if you'd like to use this, I highly suggest it for those of you creators on here who are looking for a way to have a simple website up without overthinking it. I think Carrd is an excellent option. Whether you want to go for the free version, which is you just sign up and use free version, or you want to use the Pro Lite or the Pro Standard or the Pro Plus. They've changed it. This is now a different name of the package, but same thing. So you can decide what you want to do, but this is a very simple software to use. You don't need to be a coder or a designer. You just need to be able to point and click for the most part and do a little typing. So hopefully this will help you out there for those who are looking to put a website together or a landing page so you can display, hey, this is who I am, this is what I'm about. Carrd is a good option. Also, if you actually pay for like the pro version and such, they actually allow you to take payments on this so you can put your PayPal buttons on this, and they will work if you use the pro version. So that's something I just wanted to share with you, folks out there, so that you can use. So you can go over the Carrd, use it, do stuff like this, put pay with a card. You sell on Gumroad, whatever, have a very beautiful landing page, a page that can act as your website as you're out there looking at clients, looking to get brand deals, looking to let people know how they can do commission with you. This is a really good alternative instead of building out a full website if you don't have that time or that dollar. See you guys later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. I'll be revealing a lot more interesting creative things here. You right there can, yes, you can make money by using your skills and putting yourself out there, but you have to have some type of presentation, having a landing page, some basic copy, your videos of what you do every day to provide value that you're willing to sell for someone in exchange for that. Um, this is your first steps to being a little bit more professional. Get yourself a landing page, put your links up there, and continue to promote and sell with confidence. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, please subscribe, and also subscribe to the newsletter where I let you know where I have more videos and you can ask me questions about certain topics that I can answer in the video. Until next time, this is Lauren, the Nerdy Entrepreneur.